Hi, welcome back. It's Total Gamer 09 here. In today's video, we will be unboxing the Vengeance LPX RAM. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this. So this is what it looks like from the front. 16GB of RAM for low profile overclocking. So here's a look at the front. Looks very clean. Here's what the side looks like if you're wondering. It does look very nice. This product is looking very promising, so I'll give you a closer look at that. So on the back it says Vengeance LPX memory. The Vengeance LPX memory is designed with high performance overclocking. The heat spreader uses aluminium for faster heat dissipation. The low profile design fits into most micro ATX and mini ITX systems. So here comes the unboxing. Last look at the front. Remember, 16GB, so there's two 8GB like RAM inserters, if you know what I mean. So let's get opening. So there's a really tough thing on the back where it's really hard to open. Hang on a minute, I'll go and get some scissors. How about that? Remember, when you're using scissors, always have adult supervision. Or if you are an adult, you know, your own supervision pretty much. So I'm probably doing this the wrong way. Should I just cut into the top? Just cut into the top. As you can see, they obviously do care about the products not being like stolen or anything, because they sure have done like a really good job at it. We've done it without the scissors, you know. Here we are. So let's get a first look at the RAM sticks in part 2. I'm joking, I'm not going to do that. So this is what it looks like. This looks nice. Look at this. Look at them. They are nice. Oh, look at that design. That is nice. They definitely do put thought into their products, and you can tell. If I can even open it, that's what it is. So here's one. Look at this. But remember, when you're installing them, which I will do a tutorial on, make sure you've got everything backed up onto your OneDrive before you know, you take your old ones out and then put these ones in. So this is what they both look like out of the packaging. They look nice, they look clean. I have to admit, for a RAM drive or whatever you want to call them, this does look pretty good. So that's it for today's video. I sure do hope you enjoyed the unboxing necessary of this. So I'll show you so this is it. I'll show you it up close. Here we are. The back. It's the back. And that's about it. I hope you enjoyed this video. And see you in the next one.